Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this Olympiad math problem. We have x plus 1 over x equals root 2. Here we're going to evaluate x to the power of 781 plus 1 over x to the power of 781. From the given equation, we have x plus 1 over x equals root 2, right? So from here, let's go ahead and square both sides of this equation. So here squared and the right hand side squared, right? Okay, so from the left, let us make use of this property. You know, a plus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b, right? Now from the left hand side here, the first term squared, that is x squared, right? Plus the second term squared. Remember, we have 1 all over x squared, right? So which is same as 1 squared divided by x squared, which is same as 1 over x squared. So here we have 1 over x squared. Then here plus 2 multiplied by the first term x multiplied by the second term in the bracket, which is 1 over x. And here this equals here square, and the root sign we cancel. So we have 2. Now from here, this we cancel this, right? So we get x squared plus 1 over x squared plus here we have 2 left. Then this equals 2. From here, subtract 2 from both sides, we get x squared plus 1 over x squared. This equals 0. Okay, now from here, let us multiply each term from both sides by x to the power of 2. You know, this is over 1 and this is over 1. The LCM of 1, x squared, and 1 is x squared. So multiply each term by x squared. So we get x squared times x squared plus x squared multiplied by 1 over x squared. This equals x squared multiplied by 0. Okay, now so from here, x squared times x squared, that will give us x to the power of 2 plus 2, which is 4. Then plus here, this cancel this, and we are left with just 1. This equals 0. Okay, now from here, subtract 1 from both sides, we get x to the power of 4 equals negative 1. Okay, this equation here is very important, right? Because this equation is really going to help us a lot in this video. Now let's go back to the expression we're asked to evaluate. Remember, the expression is x to the power of 781 plus 1 over x to the power of 781, which we can write as x to the power of 780 plus 1, then plus 1 all over x to the power of 780 plus 1. Okay, now let us take note of this. When we have a to the power of b plus c, this is same as a to the power of b multiplied by a to the power of c. So from here, this will be equal to x to the power of 780 multiplied by x to the power of 1, then plus 1 all over x raised to the power of 780 multiplied by x. Okay, now let's take note of this. We all know that 780 must be a multiple of 4. Is it true? Let's check. Now we want to divide 780 by 4. So you know, 7 divided by 4 here will give us 1, right? So 1 remainder 3. Then here add the 3 here becomes 38. 38 divided by 4 will give us 9, remainder 2, then to 25. So we can see that 195 times 4 will give us 780. Okay, now from this equation right over here, first of all, simplifying this further, we just get x to the power of 780 multiplied by x plus 1 all over x to the power of 780 multiplied by x. So okay, so this is the way we have simplified this expression right over here. Now let us recall from this equation, x to the power of 4, this is equal to negative 1. So raise both sides to the power of 195, right? 195, and here to the power of 195. Okay. Okay, now from here, take note of this property. When we have a to the power of b, then in bracket raised to the power of c, this is same as a to the power of b times c. So from here, this will be x to the power of 4 times 195. Remember, that will give us 780. Then this will be equal to here. Remember, this power here is odd, right? So negative 1 to the power of an odd number is negative 1. But assuming this power is even, our answer will be positive 1. So in this case, the power is odd. So this will be negative 1. Amazing. Okay, since we have found that x to the power of 780 equals negative 1, so we're going to substitute here. So here, instead of x to the power of 780, we'll replace with negative 1, right? So here, this will be negative 1 times x, which will give us negative x. Then plus 1 all over here, negative 1 times x will give us negative x, which equals negative x here. Remember, this minus will come up here, so plus times minus is minus, so we get negative 1 over x. Then factor out the negative sign, so we have negative into bracket x plus 1 over x. You know why? Okay, you can just put it as negative 1, right? So here we have negative 1 times x will give us negative 1. Negative 1 times plus 1 over x will give us negative 1 over x. And remember, from the original equation, x plus 1 over x equals root 2, right? So substituting that here, we get this equals negative 1 times root 2, which will give us negative root 2. So here we come up with the solution to the Olympiad math, that x to the power of 781 plus 1 all over x to the power of 781 equals negative root 2. And here is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.